A robot actually sees much better than a human, because if the trash moves by very quickly and falls, the robot still manages to react about 15 times per second. We even have special tests now where we can identify a single bottle up to 50 times per second as it flies by at a speed of 4 meters per second. We can see it. A human simply can't see or count that. What a person is better at is catching something in a split second.
Just like us in childhood, we all learn, memorize things. Someone shows us, let's say, the same object 1,000 times. For example, an iron, and then we understand, okay, this is an iron. Neural networks work the same way. If we show them all the different types of bottles, like a green crumpled one, a green one behind some bag, a green one in some other place, then it will understand and figure out what to do with it in exactly the same way.
Considering that labor is becoming quite expensive now, including at factories, and that this work is very hard, uninteresting and dangerous. So naturally the prospects of installing robots there are becoming quite clear. Our goal isn't to create a single robot, just to throw it onto the factory floor and have it not know what to do, but to build a fully automated line with a minimal number of people, which will sort everything automatically.